Terrifying moments unfold. An extreme storm suddenly strikes Spain, unleashing hail, powerful winds, and a dramatic temperature drop within minutes. In Terrassa, the Valais Occidental area transformed rapidly as thick hail blanketed the city in broad daylight. Streets and rooftops turned white as if covered in snow, while lightning flashes and erratic rainfall intensified the already tense situation. Meanwhile, heavy rain poured over Camprodon, while Manresa was battered by another severe storm for the second consecutive day. Strong wind gusts swept through the city, raising concerns among residents still recovering from the previous storm. In Castellote, intense hailstorms brought extreme rainfall levels. Within just 30 minutes, precipitation reached 15 liters per square meter, with a total of 26 liters, making it one of the most intense weather events of the day. The La Rioja region was also heavily affected. Hailstorms were reported in Logroño, Calahorra, and La Villa de Ocon. This extreme weather has disrupted daily life and serves as a serious warning that weather patterns are becoming increasingly unpredictable. Residents are urged to remain alert, as further severe conditions may follow.